$10,000 per month just by uploading videos on social media, just as these motivational channels, such as this one, and even this one. All of this without them showing their faces or recording videos of themselves, and even without using their voice. And now be ready to use the latest AI technologies to start your own faceless motivational channel from scratch. The first thing we will be doing is a small research for the market nowadays on social media, like what are the top performing videos that would be viral. Now visit youtube.com and type in here, motivational videos, then hit on filters, then go ahead and select view count. So you can scroll and sort between them and see how many views these videos are getting. This one right here has 82 million, even this has 68 million, 62 million, 48 million, and you can keep checking them out later on. Let's see this channel over here. This video was uploaded several days ago, and it has more than 32,000 views. And the most popular video on the channel has 56 million views. But you should check out the recent videos, because those that are going viral, and so they will work with you. And as you can see from the views here, they are still profitable businesses, and they are sharing the same content. Let's see this channel that has a speech for Denzel Washington. And this is how the video looks like we have here, Denzel Washington audio speech with captions and some background pictures and videos. We are permitted to use these speeches because they qualify as fair use. As a result, whenever you see channels online that are updating and re-uploading content, because they contributed their own creative work to the video, they were able to add text in addition to possibly adding some visuals. Even though someone else may have created the video, the addition of a touch makes it possible for reaction channels to respond to other videos, because they are bringing in their own creative element, which is allowed under the fair use doctrine. These motivational channels are doing the same thing, or they are finding speeches that are publicly available online that have been recorded. And they are not just re-uploading what has already been done. You won't find these motivational channels just re-uploading someone else's content. Instead, they are taking the content, taking the audio from it, and then adding on it extra elements like captions and B-roll. Even though it's just Denzel Washington in this video, and they give him credit for the speech, it's possible that they were editing the audio and mixing in other motivational speakers as part of a compilation as well. Now copy the URL link for this video, then head to Google and type YouTube video to MP3. Click on whatever link you want, they all work. You will find all the links down in the description box below. Paste it here, choose MP3, then convert, and now you have it on your PC. Now to have your own original video, and to avoid copyrights, we're going to separate the audio from the music, so we could add our own music on the audio, and all of this by using this AI technique. lalal.di on the homepage, click on Select Files, then take the audio we just uploaded, and within seconds it will extract vocals, it will separate the audio from music. And once it's ready, you may preview it. Now you can click on this, and here you go, there is no music at all. How cool is this? Now click on this and listen to the music. That's only amazing. Now let's do the third and the most important website to get our content ready. Look up for CapCut. And what's nice about this website, that it's completely free to use, so you will be able to edit your content easily. But first hit the download button. It may take a while, it depends on your internet connection speed. Since you have downloaded the website, on the top here, click on the new project. Then we'll pick the size that we'll be using, 16:9. And we have 6:19 for Instagram posts even. And surely you have all the size ratio you need for your social media accounts. You can use it for YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and Instagram stories and posts as well. For now we need a 16:9 ratio because we're doing a long-form video right now. So let's start doing it. By the way, the background videos and pictures and even the background music, we will take from here, so no need to visit another website and open more tabs if you have everything in the same place. Now import the audio for the video here, then drag and drop it here into the timeline. Let's now click, okay, here you go, it's working. We have the audio without the video. If you can't see the audio waves, just move this back and forth. So now pull it to here to remove the dead part, and now drag it to here again. Afterwards, we're going to add some music. Go to audio afterwards on the left side of the website, click on music, then type motivational and pick whatever music you like. Then click on the add button, now it's showing in your timeline. Let's hear it now.
I found that nothing in life is worthwhile. Nelson Mandela said, there is no...
What I'm going to do now is to adjust the volume so to increase the voice of the audio a little, and then click on the music file to decrease the music a bit. Now let's add some videos. Go to Pixabay, search for something that matches the video. I will type running, for instance, then click on it now, download, then back to CapCut, import it here, then drag it to the timeline. Let's try it out.
I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks.
Now back to Pixabay type mountain climbing. Add this to the timeline, drag it to the timeline as well. Let's add some transitions between them. On the top here, click on transitions. You will find a lot of categories. Pick the best for your video. Now test it again.
I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing. Nelson Mandela said, "There is no passion to be found playing small."
You can even add some text by clicking here, then select auto captions on the left. It will take a second. Now adjust the text size to fit perfectly on your video. Afterwards, we'll add this text style and make it bold. Then scroll down and turn on the shadow option and adjust it like this or like this, for example. Do it as you like. Now, let's see how it turned out.
I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing. Nelson Mandela said, "There is no passion."
If you think it's very bright or it's very dark, you can go ahead and change it from here. Click on Filters. Pick the filter you see that suits your video. I will pick this one, for example. That's good enough. It's your design to be creative as much as you want. Now, as you can see, the video is good to go on the right side corner here. You can convert the video to a short type by only clicking this button 619. So if you want to upload also on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, you can do it easily by a click of a button. As you can see, even the text, it's aligned on its own, and you won't have to edit again. The only thing you would do is to change the font size or change its position if you want it up, down, or in the center. Now we want to edit the thumbnail for the video. As we saw when we did the research market in the beginning, all the thumbnails looked similar, and that's because people are interested to see it in this way and to get more clicks for your video from your viewers as well. As I'm on this channel, I like this style, but I want this, so copy the link. Then on Google type YouTube thumbnail download, click on this one, paste the link afterwards, download the thumbnail. Now we want to remove the background type, remove background, click this for example. By the way, it's free to use. Now drop the thumbnail here, then it will automatically do it. Hit download, and here it's yours without background. Now, let's head to the fourth and final website to edit your own thumbnail. Open canva.com. It's also free to use. Type YouTube thumbnail to get the perfect thumbnail size. Create blank, upload the image, then click on Elements, add a background, let's say a black background. Then Denzel on the left corner, adjust the size of Denzel. Back to these thumbnails, you can see some blur and flare. So let's add it up with some colorful text also. Go to Elements, type in here, flare, pick whatever you like, add it like this. Adjust it in the size you want. Then let's put it backward by clicking on the 3 dots, then layer, and send to back, and it's behind Denzel. Also, you can change its color by clicking on Edit Image and edit its color as you wish to do it. Here you go, it's fixed now. Afterwards, let's add some text. Click on Text. Choose a font that is bold and clear, such as this one, for example. Then head to ChatGPT and ask it for 2 quotes for Denzel Washington. I will copy this one because it's short and perfect. Add for these words a different color like this, add some quotations. We can change the background even by adding an image again from element type mountain, for instance. Then click on the 3 dots and set it as the background. Here you are. That's much better. But let's make it perfect. Hit Elements, search for a square, click this one, then change its color to dark gray, for instance, then send it to the back and adjust its size like this. And boom! That's amazing. I really liked it. Click here, then download it, and you're done. And surely you will find all the links in the description box down below. Hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up for more videos. You can see the previous videos by clicking here or here. Thanks for watching.